So we're going to keep simplifying some radicals. This one, we're going to start with the coefficient. We're going to do one variable, the second, and then the third, okay? Starting with the 90. How can I break this up? Any ideas? 45 and 2. That's an option. Can I break up 2 anymore? How about 45? Something times something should equal 45. What do you think it is? Okay. That's right, 5 times 9. Okay. Can I break up 5 anymore? Can I break up 3 anymore? What would 3 turn into?
You mean 9?
9.
I'm sorry, 9. Okay, we've got 90 done, okay? Let's write this out. So I actually still have this. I have these two that I'm not breaking down any further. I can't, but what am I gonna do with these two? What can I do with them? I'm just gonna multiply them. And this goes out front. Okay? Now remember, I multiply them because I can't break them down anymore. Meaning I can break them down to 5 and 2, but I can't find a perfect square for either one of these numbers. Okay. So that's 90, okay? Just gonna write that on top. We got that out of the way. Now, we're gonna focus on x. Now remember, this is actually written like that, right? Okay. So how are we going to write these so that we can figure out what's canceled out and what's not? Now remember, x times x is also like saying it's a perfect square, okay? So this could be written as so. How can I pull out this x, or can I? Can I pull it out? If I had it like this, can I pull it out? I can. It's a perfect square. This turns into this. Do you guys see the connection? Okay. Let's do y. All right. How is this written out? Isn't this the same thing as this? Is that the same thing? No? Yes? How can I rewrite this? Isn't this? Then what's a perfect square of y squared? What's a perfect square of y squared? Riley, sing it. 3? 4? It's not a number, guys. It's just y. Yeah. You're right, Tamid. It's just y. And what's y times y? Y squared. Okay, so we have x. We have y. Let's finish up z now. Hold on. Let me rewrite that y. We have... Okay. Let's do z. All right. How am I going to write these out? How can I cross them out? How can I figure out how many z's I have there? It's perfect squares. So these turn into that. These two turn into that. Good. And then remember, these are all under the radicands, like that. All right. What does this 2 turn into? What? Pause the video for 1 second. I think I have a decoy in the back. Someone's. What are you working on? All right, I'll get to that later. Okay. this? What's a perfect square of z squared? What's that? Z times z is?
Z squared.
Awesome. And we're just gonna bring this down. Okay, we have this written the way it's supposed to be, only we have to combine, kind of like we gotta put the radicans with the radicans and then put these out, okay? So we're putting this out here, y squared out there, z squared out there, and because x is another radical and so is z, we're putting these two together, okay? And this is your answer. We'll do another one. We'll do another example.